When it comes to classic motorcycle mga brother, mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. Actually, nagkaroon na ako before ng Kiwi Cafe Racer 152, Rossi Classic 250, at itong gamit ko ngayon, ang Skygirl 150. Iba kasi sa paningin ko ang mga classic bike. Sabi nga nila timeless beauty. Maganda sa paningin, hindi nakakasawa tignan. Kaya tara, pag-usapan at kilalanin natin ang BSA motorcycle.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
When it's come to classic motorcycle, you probably heard the name BSA. Pero kung di mo pa alam, let me tell you something about it. BSA stands for Birmingham Small Arms Company. It was owned by British company and it was founded in the year 1861. At the year 1966, they made their fastest bike, commonly known as the Spitfire, with 2-stroke engine and with 10.5:1 compression ratio that can run up to 120 mph. But in the year 1973, they stopped due to bankruptcy. And then fast forward at the year 2021, they made it back under the umbrella of the Mahindra Group. At ngayon nga po, they made it to the Philippine soil with the help of the Hardcore Brother Custom Motorcycle. And now, we will make a quick walk around review on this beautiful machine. The BSA Goldstar 650 has come with the 5 color variants. Ang BSA Goldstar ay equipped ng analog speedometer and tachometer. Meron din itong engine type na liquid cooled, single cylinder, double overhead cam with 4 valves, naka-twin spark plugs, at ang kanyang exact displacement ay 652cc na merong compression ratio na 11.5:1, na merong maximum torque na 55 Nm at 4,000 RPM, na meron din max power na 45 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Ito nga pala ay naka 5-speed manual transmission at naka chain drive. The BSA Goldstar is a modern classic motorcycle. Ibig sabihin, classic looking design siya pero with modern features. Isa na nga sa mga modern features ito ay ang kanyang fuel injection system at pagkakaroon ng safety features such as dual channel anti-brake lock system. Additional info din sa kanyang braking system, ito ay naka front single 320mm floating disc, naka twin piston floating caliper, Brembo type po yan, at ang kanyang rear na naka 255mm disc, single piston floating caliper, at syempre naka Brembo type din po yan. At para naman sa kanyang front suspension, ito po ay naka 41mm telescopic forks, at ang kanyang rear naka twin shock absorber with 5-step adjustable preload. Meron din itong kabigatan, no? Ito ay tumitimbang ng 213 kg sa kanyang mass weight, at included na rin syempre yung lahat ng kanyang gasolina, and then yung kanyang langis, andyan na lahat yan. And then yung kanyang fuel capacity, meron siyang 12 liters. Para naman sa kanyang front tire, ito ay equipped ng 100/90/18 na may gulong na Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp. Naka 36 square spokes alloy rim na ang sukat ay 18/2.5. Para naman sa kanyang rear tire, ito ay equipped ng 150/70/17. Syempre, same din ng gulong, yung Pirelli. Ito ay naka 36 square spoke alloy rim na sukat naman ay 17/4.25. Ang kanyang wheelbase nga pala ay 1,423mm at meron itong taas ang kanyang seat height na 780mm. So ayun lang mga brother, and sana next time makapag-test ride tayo ng unit na to para naman makapagbigay tayo ng ating impression ride. So yun lang, salamat and see you on the next one.